So the chutney recipe needs ginger, chana dal 2 tablespoons, 1 chili, green chili, some curry leaves around 1 tablespoon, one cup coconut grated, some salt, 1 tablespoon, some pepper powder, or you can take whole pepper as well, around 50 ml of water, blend the mixture into a very fine paste. So let us begin with the tadka. You need 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, mustard seed, cumin seed or jeera 1 tablespoon, a pinch of asafoetida or hing, throw in some curry leaves, and some red chilies.